So in this short quick video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Messenger logout problem. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps now, go to the Messenger right here, click on it, click on force stop, and then go to the storage, click on clear cache and clear data, and then click on force stop, and after that go into the permissions, make sure that all the permissions are enabled, and then go back to the home page and open the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iPhone, search for Messenger and update it right here. So that's it. After that, all what you want to do is restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.